Hello everyone. In our previous video, we have seen directory submission, how to do it. Okay, I hope you remember it, and I hope you are enjoying doing directory submission. Okay, in our next video, in this video, we're going to discuss how to do social bookmarking. Okay, which is nothing but it's another link building technique in SEO. Okay, so social bookmarking sites are kind of the websites where you can just bookmark your website, okay, like you bookmark in your browsers, but this one you are bookmarking on internet sites so that any people, I mean, in the bookmarking in that particular site can find your website, or even you can go on your site anytime you want. Okay, so it's a good technique. Okay, so the difference, one of the difference between directory submission and social bookmarking would be uh, when you submit, okay, directory, okay, it takes time, okay, to get live link, okay. It can take even months and 2 months, 3 months. But social bookmarking, okay, you'll get your website live, I mean live submission immediately. Okay, you can get live link immediately. That would be one of the difference, and that would be one of the advantages of social bookmarking. Okay, now let's go on with, with the example. Okay, I'm just gonna click this social bookmarking list. Okay, and there are a huge list of social bookmarking again here, given here. Okay, so depending on this batching wise, there are a lot of social bookmarking websites. So we can go and submit in any of this bookmarking websites. Okay, now Uh, uh, same as a directory submission, we would require those contents for submission. Okay, you will need the same content. Okay, where about your website for submission. So say let's try some sites here. Okay, not gonna pick this. Okay, so this is how social bookmarking, or I would be calling it as SBM in short. This is how SBM sites will look like. They will have these different categories. Okay, so under each category, if we click, there will be all the sites, all the websites listed. Okay, or this is another example. Okay, so this is a website listed. Their title, which is a keyword, and the description. Okay. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to register. You need to become a member of this particular site. Okay. For directory submission, you don't need to register. You just have to click on the submit link and you submit it. Okay. But this one you need to register. So what I'm going to do is I'll just click on this register, and I need to fill this form. Username. Now I can put any username. Okay. Any username. Username can be any name, including these numbers, but only one word. Okay, so I can say my username 123. Okay, and email, I'm going to put my example email, then password, then let me put this captcha code. Okay, it is in order to avoid spammers. Okay, spammers are nothing but those people who use softwares to do manual submission. Okay, which is not good. So I'm just gonna click create user, and there it is already created. Okay, now you are ready to submit. Your profile has been already listed here. Okay, now some website may ask for confirmation, okay, before you really become a member of this particular website, they will ask for confirmation. You need to check your email and just click on the confirmation, login, and then you are ready to submit. Okay. Now in my home page, I can just click on this submit your link button. Now when I click on that, first it will ask me which URL you want to submit. Okay. So I just have to copy my URL and paste it in there and submit. Now once I click this submit button, now uh, this SPM site will automatically generate the title and description from my original website. Okay, original website is this one. From this, it will automatically pull, okay, the title and description. Now I would not want to use this for my submissions because I'm going to do submissions, hundreds and hundreds of submissions. So if my website has the same title and description with this multiple submissions, then it may not be that good, okay, for a search engine. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete this, and in title I will use my primary keyword, okay, and choose a category. Okay, so among these, which one is most relevant? Okay, education. I can go into education because it's part of training, or maybe I can go to internet marketing as well. I'll just choose education. So some SPM sites, they will not have many options. They will just have news and very few categories. So in that case, you don't have choice, but it will not be error for that particular site. You can just choose whatever it is there, news. Okay, now in the field of DAX, I'm going to put this my secondary keywords, then my description. That's all, and I just need to fill this captcha and submit. Now once it is submitted, okay, mostly, okay, like 90% we can see our link, okay, live link, but some websites like this, we have to go for a review, okay, so then we have to uh, check back later on for how to say for a live link, okay. So the submission is done, but we didn't get a live link for this particular website. We need to check back later. But let's try another different websites, okay? Let's see if we can get a direct live link. Okay. Now for this site, I need to first step is to register, okay, or create a new account. It's kinda slow. Okay, username. Now I can use any username. Then email address. Then confirm email address. And do you know you can't post lunch if you don't pay premium this membership? If you don't pay a premium membership after signing up. Okay, maybe this has some complications. Let me try different websites. Okay, this is also another example. So let me register. Whoa, register. Then say username 456. See, username, you can use any username in every different websites. That's not an issue. Okay. volunteer change and create. Now you're ready for submission. Your profile is already there. All I need to do is click on submit, and they will ask me to put my URL. So I just have to copy my URL and put it in here, submit. Then same as before, it will pull my title and description from my main website, which I will delete it, and I'm going to put my main keyword on the title and description on the description field. And category, yeah, now for this particular site there's no option, so whatever is here I'm going to pick. And in my tags or keywords I'm going to put my secondary keywords. This has got limit. Okay, so maybe I can delete this one and captcha code and submit. Yeah, now you can see your link here, my link building list. Okay, and here's my description. Okay, now these are various new list that other than me, I mean other even these websites they have listed too. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna click here, which will take me to my details page. Okay, this is my individual uh, social bookmark sites. Okay, now this is my final page. Okay, so if I click here or if I open a new tab, it will take me to my main website. Okay, my main website. Okay, so this is it, this is done. Okay, the so SPM social bookmarking is done up to this step. And at last what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this URL for my future reference, because this is the live link and I can open it with any browser. It will show me this link. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to save this link. Okay, and suppose if you're working for client and you need to give this live link to the client, and you may want to maintain more let's say in better way, like which keyword you have used for this particular link, etc. Okay, but this is my live link. So this is how I find it after my submission. Okay, but for in some websites you will not find your link, okay, right after your submission. Okay, sometimes you may find on this right navigation. Okay, or if you don't see in there, then you go to your profile page and you go to submitted, you click on your submitted button, and there you can see your list. Okay, so among these three you will find it. Okay, because some websites it is hard to find after you have submitted as well. Okay, so that's all for social bookmarking. Okay, there are various different sites. Okay, they have a kind of different layout and structure, but I think the step remains the same, and hopefully you should be able to do it in all the SPM sites. Okay, thanks for watching. We will continue the different techniques in the next video.